Hello guys and welcome to another beautiful DIY with Vidi. Today we are not actually going to make a DIY. We are going to discussing some of the things, some of the DIY I've made that I've learned that had some experience on them, and then I'll be talking about some that I made that okay they actually worked fine. It stood the test of time, and then we'll also discuss some that didn't really last long. We just did it for the post of DIY so that you guys can just see. So I'll be discussing some of them, and then I'll tell you so that you will know when you want to create you have better experience. You won't then make the mistake I made, and then you know how to go about it perfectly well. Okay, so the first one we're going to be talking about is styrofoam. I don't know if you know, but just like I said in the video, okay, so after I'm done with this video, I'm going to just put the links of the video for you so that you can just go watch them out and then see how the video comes out. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate that. Okay, so let's go. Styrofoam. Styrofoam uh is this DIY I made with styrofoam. It came out really nice. Just as you can see, it's beautiful. But the issue with this DIY is styrofoam are not really strong. So you know when you use them for frame, some people can just come and then somebody can just come and push it, small thing, it will scatter, it will break into two. So it's not advisable for you to use styrofoam to make this DIY if you want to. And then you cannot use styrofoam, you cannot spray styrofoam, you can't spray them, you can't even use a liquid paint to just paint it with it because it melts it. Yes. So don't use it. Even if you have to use it, if you check this video, I use it. At this other parts, there's this other part, you see that I started applying it much. I noticed it started melting it. So I had to just begin to just dab it little by little so that it will that was what enabled me to even finish the day. If not so, it would have melt finish. Yes. So don't try it. Even if you have to paint, just go over it very lightly, and then everything will come out nice for you. And then the second one, just like this video where I made about how you can just unscrew your drilling machine. All those machines, sometimes you have drilling. Okay, since I'm just going to talk about drilling machine, let me talk about the drilling machine. Drilling machine, sometimes you just have it and it goes stuck. Okay, and then you begin to wonder, what do you do? What if you really need to use it to work? Because when I had the issue, I really need to use you really need to use the drilling machine to work, but it got stuck. I didn't even know what happened to it. It just stopped. And I used it like it wasn't long I used it, and all of a sudden it just stopped working. And then I for like a week or so or more than, I was thinking of what to do. How do I get to just use it? Because I really needed to do a video and it wasn't working. I called my elder brother and he was like, I should just take it to some of those guys that have these heavy duty machines. They can just maybe just unscrew it. And then during that period, we are having events in my house and I couldn't go out, but I really needed to just create a DIY. Now, so that was how I couldn't do it. I was also angry. And then while growing up, my elder sister, she's this kind of person that when our TV has issue, she want to come and open it and see. She will come and fan o, she want to open it and see maybe what is wrong with it. And funny, when she open it, thought one or two things, it work. Yes. So I remember that time when we our door, abi fan, when doors, there are some doors that when you open after a while, that when you open the door it will now start making that sound that the kind of when you want to enter a room and then you want to go and commit one crime. Yes, you cannot do it because that door, as you're opening it, they will catch you. The door will make that sound, they will catch you. So she will usually just carry abi the fan. When that fan is making that sound, I feel as if the fan want to just remove. Then she'll just carry groundnut oil and then put little inside. She'll just put you notice that the door abi the fan, it will just stop making that sound and it will be working out very fine. So I thought of it. I didn't really ask her sha because I know that now, see, maybe she will tell me that I should still use the garrote. So I know that I can actually use the garrote, but I was scared. I said, let me not go and use the garrote for the drilling machine and then it will not come and work. Abi it will spoil it. So I had this machine oil I got for my machine. So I just decided, okay, since it's like that, okay, why don't I just try and then put the oil? Like joke, so I put the oil, and because of the event, I was really busy. I just put the oil and then I left it. The next day in the evening, I don't even know. I was tired. I just came. I was just in there, and then I decided, okay, let me just try and just check. And magically, voila, it was working. It just started working. The oil did the work like joke. It just like magic. It just worked. So if you're having any issue, though I don't say you should commit any crime, but if your door is having no sound, your fan, it works. I'm not joking. And even if you don't even have the oil, put groundnut oil inside. Seriously. But it's like serious, it actually works. It works like magic. So that was how the drilling machine just started working, and that's that for that. So you can actually use the machine oil. You can use it for the door and then the fan. It works. And then the third one we're talking about is granite. Okay, so any DIY you're going to be making with granite, this one, this advice, don't joke with it. You know how some people will come to your house and then somebody will just say something. This thing we know that normally it's not as if is from a factory. Somebody actually made it, and then somebody will say, "Ah, so you made this thing with granola? Ah, it's so fine. Yes, it's fine." And then they want to go and touch it. You don't just touch it; they will go and press it. Why are you pressing it? They want to destroy it. They will go and press it, and then the groundnut to break. Then you can imagine after making something like this, then one or two groundnut shall break inside. They have scatter it. Yes. So if you are going to make this DIY, I would recommend just try maybe putting if this is going to take a while, but I think that's just the best decision for now, because I can't tell you to use what's it called, glue gun, because you don't end up using a whole lot of glue gun. So I think so I just came up with the idea of maybe use POP cement and then put them inside. You notice POP, POP cement after a while, if it dries off, it becomes lighter. Then you can just put it with the POP cement so that it will stay. And even when those visitors come, even if they press it, it will not break. Yes, they have mission when they come. They want to see it and then they're like, ah, so it's granite peel. Wow, it's nice. And then they will press it and it will destroy it. Okay, so this is what we're going to discuss. These three are we're going to discuss it for now. If you would want me to discuss more so that you just have more experience, just let me know in the comment section. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. I really appreciate that. Please, guys. Okay, so thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.